read the passage, so you can read from wherever you have reached. Where have you reached? Read it.
The culprit was and dying man, over whose bodies he was with some difficult conveyed, and laid upon a platted in the mid midshipman berth. It was soon he received, upon examination, that the wood was mortar. This, however, was Captain Hardy, the Camplin, and the medical attention. He himself began certain from the sensation in his back and the gush of blood he felt.
Okay, never mind. Stop. Because there are words here which you are not reading completely. So let me ask someone else also to read it, and then you also keep reading it silently when the other person is reading. उसके भी mistakes हो सकते हैं. I'll keep pointing out the mistakes. Who wants to read? Himanshu or Sanjana or Tanuja? Who wants to read this? Raise your hand. कौन पढ़ेगा? Quickly raise your hands. We've read it last time. Who wants to read it? Otherwise, I'll ask one of you to read it. Tanuja, padhoge? I have given you the meanings and the words of all the words, the pronunciation also. So be sure that you read all words completely and with understanding. Read it.
Starting.
From the starting till the end. Yeah.
It has been part of Nelson's plan that the British fleet might be distinguished by humanity in the victory which he expected. Setting an example himself, he twice gave orders to cease firing upon the redoubtable, supposing that she had struck because her great guns were silent. For as she carried no flag, there was no means of ascertaining the fact. From this ship, from the ship which he had thus twice spread, he displayed
स्पेयर्ड
his dash.
स्पेयर्ड मीन्स उसको छोड़ दिया था क्योंकि उसने दो बारी ऑर्डर दिया था टू सीज फायर राइट सो द शिप विच ही हैड दस ट्वाइस स्पेयर्ड मतलब दो बार उसको बचाया था आगे पढ़ो ही
Where he received his death. A ball, a ball fired from the mizzen top, which in the then situation of the two
वेसल्स
was not vessels was not more than 15 yards from the deck where he was standing. Struck the um, aptitude
एपलेट
athlete on his left shoulder about a quarter after one, just in the
अबाउट अ क्वार्टर
nick of
आफ्टर वन मतलब 1:15 पे क्वार्टर आफ्टर वन उस टाइम पे हिज एपलेट वाज स्ट्रक by the firing from the other ship. The ship's name was Redoubtable. Just in the
ju- just in the heat of action. He fell upon his face on the spot which was covered with his poor secretary's blood. Hardy, who was a few steps from his turning round, saw three men
from him
chasing him.
turning round from him who was a few steps from him Turning round, saw.
saw three men raising him up. They have done at last for me, Hardy, he said.
They
I
have
hope
done at last for me, Hardy, he said. मर रहा था वो कह रहा है मेरे को मार डाला है उन्होंने. दे हैव डन एट लास्ट फॉर मी, मतलब मेरे को आखिर में मार ही दिया है. हाँ, ही सेड.
I hope not, cried Hardy. Yes, he replied. My backbone is
शॉट थ्रू. बैकबोन के बीच में से, एपिलेट पे उसके लगा था और बैकबोन के बीच में से निकल गया. शॉट थ्रू, इट वेंट थ्रू द बैकबोन.
Yet even now, not for a moment, losing his presence of mind, he observed as they carrying him down the ladder. The pillar with ropes which had been shoot away.
शॉट बेटे, SHOT is short. Shoot is SHOOT. Shoot. SHOT, past tense of shoot. Shot.
Shoot away.
Shot away. फिर से वही बोल रहे हो. Shot away.
Shot away. Were not yet. They were carrying.
Were not yet.
They had ordered.
No, were not yet replaced.
Replaced and ordered that new ones should be roped immediately.
आगे. Okay, stop. Stop. हिमांशु इसके आगे पढ़ो. Then that. रीड हिमांशु इसके आगे. कहाँ से पढ़ना है? यहाँ से. Come on, Himanshu. Everybody should be reading along with them silently. Whoever is reading aloud. Himanshu? Is Himanshu there or not? Arre, he's not there. Okay. Harshal, you read. Acha, Himanshu has come. Let him read. Read Himanshu from them.
Then that he might not be seen by the thief, he took out his handkerchief. Had he but
And covered his face in stars. Had he but concealed.
these badges of honor from the enemy, England perhaps would not have had cause to receive with sorrow the news of Trafalgar.
Battle of Trafalgar. Battle of Trafalgar.
The cockpit was crowded with wounded and
Wounded. Diksha, आप भी नोट करो. Wounded and dying man. Wounded नहीं है, wounded. आगे.
over whose body he has with some difficulty.
He has नहीं, he was.
He was with some difficulty conveyed and laid upon a pallet in the midshipmen's
Berth, BERTH. Berth क्या होता है? जैसे ट्रेन में बर्थ होता है जिसपे लेटते हैं, स्लीपर. बर्थ. वैसे ही शिप में.
It was soon perceived upon examination that the wound was
Wound नहीं, wound.
Wound was mortal. It, however, was concealed from all except Captain Hardy, the chaplain, and the medical attendant. He himself being certain from the sensation in his back and the gush of blood he felt momentarily within his breast. Human care would avail him. Insisted that the surgeon should leave him and attend to those to whom he might be useful.
Okay, good. बीच बीच में अभी भी दोनों बच्चों ने मिस्टेक्स करी, बट all of you first tell me, have you understood this passage or not? Unmute yourself and tell me. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Pakka? Tanuja, have you understood? Tanuja, अभी भी समझ नहीं आया है? What have you not understood? Ask me. Harshal, what about you? It is a difficult passage, no doubt. इसलिए कोई शर्माने की बात नहीं है.
Yes, I am understanding.
Okay, very good. Then you have to be ready to answer questions. What about you, Sanjana? Sanjana, have you understood this passage?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Sanjana, Himanshu and Harshal are saying they have understood completely. What about you, Deeksha? Did you understand what this passage is about? थोड़ा थोड़ा. Okay. Never mind. मैं अभी शुरू से अभी तक के बीच बीच में questions पूछूंगी. Harshal, Himanshu and Sanjana will answer. Okay. So, it has been Nelson's prayer that the British fleet might be distinguished by humanity in the victory which he expected. So, what did Nelson want people to remember England by, or the Britishers by? He wanted people to remember that the British people were very humane. They were distinguished by humanity. मतलब कि वो उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा ह्यूमेन काम किया, सेंसिटिव. हाँ, तो ह्यूमैनिटी का ध्यान दिया उन्होंने. वो उसके लिए क्या, व्हाट इज द एग्जाम्पल दैट ही सेट फॉर दैट, हर्षल? What did he do to what did he do so that people remember Britishers as humane people?
He prayed. He
Huh?
prayed.
Huh?
He prayed.
No. Read the second sentence and then tell me.
Setting an example himself, he twice gave orders to cease firing upon the Redoubtable, supposing that she had struck because her great guns were silent. Miss Nelson gave order to cease fire on
Cease fire. To cease fire on Redoubtable.
Redoubtable ship, supposing that she.
But this much is enough for the question that I asked. So, and how many times did he order his men to cease fire? Twice. So my question was, what did Nelson do so that British could be remembered as humane people, or they were supporters of humanity? What did he do? He ordered that the ship Redoubtable should not be, so to cease fire on Redoubtable twice. Okay, 2 times he told them. Okay, that's one. Next question that I'm asking is, what was the cause of his death, Nelson's death? What was the cause of Nelson's death? Yes, Sanjana, can you answer? How did Nelson die? How did Nelson die? Who can tell me? जो भी बता सकता है, raise your hands. How did Nelson die?
By shot of gun.
By the shot of gun. But what was the cause of his death? Why did he die? Because he had spared that ship. He had thought that that ship was, क्या लिखा है उसने, that she had struck. So because he felt that they had already brought down the ship, she had struck, which means it was already rooted. They had already fired on it enough so that it cannot now retaliate. So he had thought that, and he then, the cause of his death was that he did not fire on it two times. He stopped his men from firing. If he had not stopped his men from firing, that ship would have gone. And it would have been destroyed. She had struck means it had been destroyed. So he would have, if he had ordered his men to continue firing, the ship would be destroyed. Then they would not have been able to fire back, and he would not have died. Okay. Okay. Now, next, I had told the meaning of epaulette. Who will tell me what epaulette means? What does epaulette mean? Sanjana, can you tell me what epaulette means? The badge. Yes, the badges on the side. So all army officers or naval staffs or air force people, they have badges here which show their designation and their honors, the medals which they're. So everything is put on the left shoulder. So that was all shining. So because it is all shining, the people from Redoubtable, they hit that, right? Okay. Now let's go ahead. Ball from the mizzen top. What is a mizzen top? Who can tell me what a mizzen top is?
Top on his head.
Mizzen top. Read the sentence. A ball fired from the mizzen top. तो मिजन टॉप से बॉल फायर हुई थी. व्हाट इज द मिजन टॉप? आई हैड हाँ
Peak on that ship.
No, I had told you it is a mast. It is a mast. So there are different masts on the ship. Mast क्या होते हैं? हाँ. Yes. So from that this was fired from the mast. What is a mast? Mast are big curtain-like structures which are tied by tiller ropes. इसमें दिया हुआ है ना tiller rope. So rope से उसको नीचे deck पे. The deck is the ship का deck, the body of the ship. So tiller ropes are used to tie the masts onto the deck. Okay. So mizzen top. So there are different types of masts. One of the type is mizzen top. So from the mizzen top, a ball of fire was shot, which hit him on the epaulette, and it went through his back out, and that was it. Now, so there was a lot of blood coming out from his chest, and there was a hole in the back, and the back was completely destroyed. Okay. Okay. Then, and he was hit. At what time was he hit? What time? What was the time when he was hit?
Quarter after 1.
Yes, quarter after 1, which means 1:15. Quarter is 15 minutes. Okay. Then read this sentence. Yet even. ये पढ़ो. Diksha, read this. Yet even now. So now he was shot, and his assistant. What was the name of his assistant? His
Hardy.
Yes, very good. Okay. So now when he told Hardy that I am done for, which means I will be dead now. They have done at last for me. Matlab, they have hit me badly, so it is going to be a mortal wound. I will not survive it. I will not be able to live. I will die. Yet इतना ज़्यादा जख्मी था. Yet, yes, read this, Diksha. Yet even.
Yet even now, after a moment losing his presence of mind, he observed as they were carrying him down the ladder, the tiller's rocks.
which had been shot away,
Shot away.
were not
Shot away.
shot,
Hmm.
shot away, were not yet replaced and ordered that new one should be robbed immediately.
Stop. So now what is this sentence? What do you understand from this sentence? He was so badly hurt. Yet, for not for a moment losing his presence of mind. He did not lose his senses, not for a moment losing. Matlab, for even 1 second, he did not lose his senses, his presence of mind. And because of that, what did he observe, Diksha? While he was being carried down the ladder, what did he observe? What did he observe? Who can answer? While they were carrying him on.
And that new has replaced from the new.
That the tiller ropes which had been shot away मतलब वो भी फायरिंग में हट गई थी, were not yet replaced, had been replaced नहीं, not yet been replaced, उनको रिप्लेस किसी ने नहीं किया था, वो टूटी हुई थी, तो मास्ट तो इनकी शिप का गिर जाता. मास्ट इज यूज्ड फॉर नेविगेशन, उसी के थ्रू शिप को इधर उधर ले जाते हैं. सो what did he observe? That the tiller ropes which were cut off, which were shot away, had not been replaced. Then what did he do, Sanjana, when he saw that they were not? Sanjana, then what did he do? What did he do? When he saw that they had been shot away and had not been replaced, उनको किसी ने वापस नहीं बांधा था, then what did he do? Yes, Tanuja, you tell me. Huh? He immediately ordered that new tiller ropes should be roped immediately. Roped यहाँ पे क्या है? Verb. Roped immediately मतलब tied immediately. Immediately the tiller ropes should be tied. Okay. Now Himanshu, what did he do to avoid being recognized by his crew? What did he do?
He took out his handkerchief and covered his face and badges.
Very nice. So he covered his face and badges so that the crew does not see him. Why would he not want the crew to see him? So that they do not get demotivated. उनका morale down ना हो जाए. That is why. Okay. Now, जो ये वाला sentence है, the cockpit, ये पढ़ो संजना, the cockpit was crowded with wounded. हाँ, पढ़ो ये. Read it. Read it, Sanjana. The cockpit. यहाँ से.
Ma'am, the cockpit was crowded with
crowded.
Ma'am, and trying man overhauled bodies. He was with some difficulty covered.
Conveyed मतलब past. कन्वे करना होता है किसी को पास करना, कोई मैसेज पास करना. अब उसकी बॉडी को कन्वे कर रहे हैं. सो इट इज बीइंग पास्ड बिकॉज द कॉकपिट इज फुल ऑफ वुंडेड मैन. सो on top of, through the top of the body of the wounded man, his body was conveyed. It was passed from one place to another to be put on upon a pallet. Pallet क्या है? Pallet क्या होता है? What is the meaning of pallet? कोई पूछता क्यों नहीं अगर नहीं पता होता? What does pallet mean? It is a straw mattress. What is it? A straw का mattress जो होता है, बर्थ के ऊपर कैसा मैट्रेस बिछाया हुआ था? स्ट्रॉ का. नॉर्मली हमारा फोम का मैट्रेस होता है या कॉटन का मैट्रेस होता है. स्ट्रॉ के मैट्रेस को पैलेट बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? लिख लो सब लोग, मैं नहीं लिख रही हूँ अभी. Pallet, it's a straw mattress. Okay. So he was with some difficulty. Naturally मुश्किल तो होगी, with some difficulty, because everybody is lying wounded. How to pass on the body? And he was on the ladder and 3 people were carrying him. So थोड़ा मुश्किल से he was put upon the pallet in the midshipman's berth. तो middle of the जो middle shipman होते हैं, जो भी shipman का middle berth है, उस पे pallet था, उसके ऊपर उसको लिटाया गया. Okay. Harshal, read. It was soon perceived. हाँ. Harshal, read it again. Then we'll do the questions and answers. I was thinking of taking up a new topic, but I think we need.
It was soon perceived upon examination that the wound was mortal. This mortal. This, however, was concealed from all, except Captain Hardy. The chaplain and the medical attendant.
Okay. Now wait. Who all knew that he had a mortal wound? It was so soon perceived. Perceived means it was found out that the wound was mortal. Wound was mortal means what? That it was fatal, that he would die. But from whom all was this information hidden?
Captain Hardy.
Whom was it hidden from? Hidden means concealed. From whom was it concealed?
Concealed. All.
From
Concealed.
all. So now I'm asking the question, who all knew about his mortal wound?
Captain Hardy.
Captain Hardy and
The chaplain.
And
The surgeon.
yes, and the surgeon or the medical attendant. Now who can tell me what chaplain means? What does chaplain mean?
Assistant of the captain.
No. Assistant of the captain was Captain Hardy. है ना? The chaplain is a priest. जैसे हमारे गुरु होते हैं ना, हाँ, a priest is called a chaplain. Mostly prisoners के jails में, ships पे होते हैं priest. Okay? So only the priest, Captain Hardy, and the medical attendant or the surgeon knew about the mortal wound that Nelson suffered. Okay? And what did he do? What did he ask the surgeon to do? Who will answer? What did he ask the surgeon to do?
The gush of blood.
No, what did he ask the surgeon to do? The gush of blood from his chest he felt. He could feel that his back is completely gone. So
he asked the surgeon to leave him and attend to those who might be useful.
no, to whom he to and attend to those who might be able to live. Okay? जो लिव करेंगे उन्हीं के लिए सर्जन यूजफुल होगा ना. अपना तो उसको पता था that he is not going to live, so he told the surgeon to attend to the people who could remain alive. Okay? To only those people he would be useful. Understood everybody? अब मेरे को thumbs up दो अगर सबको समझ आ गया. पूरा समझ आया या नहीं आया, या अभी भी नहीं आया? Tanuja, Himanshu is saying yes. Sanjana also most probably. Diksha also. What about Harshal? Harshal?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now None of you had done the questions and answers, right? Through this paragraph, I also want to take you on to making of complex sentences, because isme there are so many sentences together, right? And that is why it was becoming more difficult for you to understand. But now we'll do the questions and answers. Next time onwards, I'll start with making of sentences. We'll start with small sentences, increase them. I'll ask all of you to make sentences, five sentences of each type, and immediately in the classroom only we are going to do that. But today in the classroom we'll be answering these questions. So all of you now write in your notebooks. Question 1. What is meant by supposing she had struck? That he was supposing that she had struck, so he ordered ceasefire twice. So what is meant by supposing she had struck? Who can answer this question? Tell me.
Men had struck because of cannon fire.
No. He supposed. What did he suppose?
A gun has fired from the mizzen top.
No. मैंने अभी explain किया था. Who can answer this question? Supposing she had struck का मतलब क्या है? That he thought that the ship had been destroyed. तभी उसने सीज फायर बोला कि वहाँ से कोई फायरिंग नहीं करेगा, उधर कोई फ्लैग भी नहीं है, एंड शांत खड़ी हुई थी redoubtable. So he thought it had been destroyed. It had been done for. Okay? Understood? सारे questions मैं explain करती हूँ. All of you have to write the answers. So what is meant by supposing she had struck? It means that he thought, supposing matlab he was thinking, he imagined that the ship had been destroyed. Okay? Give me a thumbs up if you all understand this. Then we'll go to the next question. And everybody please write the question and the answer. I will not write. You are all big children. Okay? I am not going to write and give it to you. Okay. Next question. How can Nelson be said to have been partly responsible for his own death? How are we saying that he was partly responsible for his own death? अभी मैंने explain किया था. Why was he responsible for his own death? Yes?
Because he done ceasefire.
Because he had ordered ceasefire twice. Yes? If he had not ordered ceasefire, then the ship would actually have been destroyed. But because he ordered ceasefire, so they sent a fireball, they shot him on the epaulette. Okay? Okay. Now, this also the third question. What do you understand by mizzen top? The mizzen top.
Mast up on the ship.
It is a mast on the ship. Good. Next. Why did Nelson insist that the surgeon should leave him and attend to others?
Because it would be possible to save his life.
Because it would not be possible to save his life, and he wanted to save the surgeon to save the lives of those who could be saved. Okay, पूरा आंसर ऐसे लिखेंगे. And then what qualities of Nelson are revealed in this passage? What qualities of Nelson?
His humanity.
His? Okay, Diksha, tell me. Wait, Himanshu, let Diksha answer.
His humanity.
his humanity. What else? Okay, Himanshu, what else? Okay, mute. Okay, let me ask Harshal. Harshal, what else? His humanity was one quality. What else? Harshal, unmute yourself. What else?
Means he was humane. Then he has victory also.
वहाँ victory है. He died. They lost the battle of Trafalgar.
पर मैं उधर लिखा था मैम.
क्या लिखा था? बताओ.
He was humane and
He was humane, that is all. What are the other qualities? When he was hit, he was still very alert. So, another quality you can talk about is his presence of mind. He had a very good, acute presence of mind. Third, he saw the tiller ropes were broken. So, he ordered. So, his leadership qualities. Okay? No, his management qualities. And he hid his face so that his people would not get demotivated. So his leadership qualities. Okay, so 4 things I have told you. Humanity, he was very humane. He had a very sharp presence of mind. He was very alert, that is what you can say. So humane, alert. Third, he was a very good manager because he asked them to tie the tiller ropes again. And then fourth, he had extremely good leadership qualities. Leadership qualities are displayed by what? One, he hid his face and his epaulette so that people don't see him. That is one thing which shows leadership. Second is, he asked the surgeon to go and become useful for the other people whom he could actually save. So he said, don't. So that is also a good leader's quality. Okay? अब मुझे बताओ sir. I'll stop sharing. Now everybody tell me. Peacefulness नहीं है. Not peacefulness, Himanshu. His alertness, you can say. His alertness, his leadership qualities, his humanity, his managerial skills. Okay? His observation skills, because even when he is dying, he's hurt so badly, he's still observing. So observation skills, that's the 5th one. Okay? So who will tell? Now everybody tell me. Have you all start your video, everybody, and let me see you. Let me see whether you've understood this. So today's homework is also the same. Start your video. Arey, why has she left? Start your video. Oh, can't see him. Okay. Have you understood properly? Will you be able to complete the questions and answers? Unmute and say. Harshal, unmute and say. Will you be able to complete the questions and answers?
yes.
So complete them and send them. Next time I don't want to do the same thing. Yes, Sanjana and Himanshu? जो नहीं आते थे questions वो complete करके भेजो. What about you, Tanuja? Okay. So I'll expect all of you to finish the work and send it to me. Okay.